Hello, students. Today we are going to discuss the linear equation having variables on both sides. For example, 2x minus 3 equals x plus 2. In this case, in the first step, we have the option to subtract 2 from both sides or add 3 to both sides. We are going with 3. So, after adding 3 on both sides, we get 2x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to x plus 2 plus 3. 2x equals x plus 5. Now we have x on the right-hand side and 2x on the left-hand side. Now subtract x from both sides. We get 2x minus x equals x plus 5 minus x. X equals 5. Therefore, the value of x is 5. Let's take another example. 5x plus 7 by 2 equals 3x by 2 minus 14. On multiply 2 both side, we get 2 times 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 2 times 3x by 2 minus 14. 10x plus 7 equals 3x minus 28. Now transposing 3x to the left-hand side or by subtracting 3x from both sides. 10x minus 3x plus 7 is equal to minus 28. 7x plus 7 is equal to minus 28. Now subtract 7 from both sides. 7x plus 7 minus 7 equals minus 28 minus 7. 7x equals minus 35. Now on dividing 7 from both sides. 7x by 7 equals minus 35 by 7. X equals minus 5. Therefore, the value of x is minus 5. Thanks for watching.